Hi, Nat. Can you hear me?
Hi Vivian, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Good, thanks Vivian.
That's good. So, how is your preparation?
Ah, yeah, I have done so much work and I finished all the fill in the blanks, repeat sentences and write from dictation from IVA.
Very good. What about reorder paragraph? Have you done it?
Actually, I couldn't finish all of
Okay.
them, but have done like more than 60%.
Okay, that's very good then. So try to finish it before your exam, okay?
Okay, but my
I think
exam is tomorrow.
I know. I remember it's around 18 or 19. I just remember now.
Yes.
Okay. So try your best, I would say.
Mhm.
Okay, try your best because reorder is important for your score as well.
Okay.
Um, the reason why it's important is, PTE is already changed.
Yes.
Okay, so reorder is not changed from the previous one to this one. So you
Mhm.
still have 2 to 3 questions for reorder paragraph.
Yes.
Okay, so in that case, MCQ now is already reduced half of the question.
Mhm.
Right, so reorder is a topic that I need you to manage it in your exam.
Okay.
Okay, so try to finish it.
Okay.
Let me see, what did we do last time? Okay. Last time I asked you to work on your spelling. Why this time
Yes.
spelling is still lower? Let me check. Maybe essay.
Yes. Essay.
Okay, read aloud good. Repeat sentence. Repeat sentence is dangerous. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm not sure. Maybe you, I would say maybe your performance is good, but just because it can be impacted by the microphone and the headset. Good job. Good. Answer short question. Did I show you how to prepare it?
No.
You need to go through the prediction file for me.
Okay, I will.
Okay. Go through prediction 5 and try to have a look at the questions and the answer.
Okay.
Because if you can be able to answer correctly, it boosts your listening score.
Okay.
Very good. You see reorder.
Yes.
All right. So try your best. Reading and fill the blank and things you did well, but reorder is very important. Okay.
Okay.
Must be spelling or grammar.
Yes, I think it's spellings.
Fill the blank as well. Okay. Right. Let me check.
Each tube-shaped microbot is a sandwich of 3 materials: a graphene outer layer, which binds to heavy metals, a middle layer of nickel, which gives the bots magnetic polarity so that they can be pulled through wastewater with magnets, and platinum inside propulsion. Just add a little bit of peroxide to the wastewater and it will react with the platinum to form water and oxygen bubbles, which propel the tubes along.
Our fluency is quite not really good for this one. Okay. Yeah, so that's why it's
Yes.
it's not really good for the oral fluency for this one. It doesn't sound smooth. Do you get what I mean?
Yes.
Like
Yes.
some of the words that are difficult, so that's why
Mhm.
if you make it sound a bit smoother, then it's definitely better.
Interdisciplinarity or interdisciplinary studies involves the combination of 2 or more academic disciplines into one activity. Example, a research project. It draws knowledge from several other fields like sociology, anthropology, psychology, economics, etc. It is about creating something by thinking across boundaries. It is related to an interdiscipline or an interdisciplinary field, which is an organizational unit.
Very good. This one good.
There are 2 main types of market research. Quantitative research involves collecting a lot of information by using techniques such as questionnaires and other forms of survey. Qualitative research involves working with smaller samples of consumers, often asking them to discuss products and services while researchers take notes about what they have to say.
Good. Okay, so you need to prepare for the difficult paragraph. Okay. Try your best to not hesitate, and yeah. So overall, your read aloud is quite good for this one. It's just the first paragraph, I think. A bit nervous, maybe.
Yes.
Right? But this time you did very well. What this one? Let me see.
Our tutorial will take place on second floor in room 1.
Okay, not that.
It seems that language appear from nowhere.
Good.
The lecture was meant to start at 10.
Okay.
You need to change your username and password as soon as we recover it. I have a sandwich and milk for my breakfast.
Repeat sentence is not bad. Just I would say around 2 sentences. Like one is not good, and maybe the rest of the sentence you pretty much make 1 mistake or 2 mistakes.
Yes.
This is not bad at all. But try to prepare for the new exam question.
Okay.
Yeah.
This image describes London's Fleet Street then and today across different categories such as 19th century and now. It also provides the information that the highest contribution is buildings, on the other hand the lowest contribution is vehicles. After analyzing the image, it can be concluded that this image is giving crucial information strongly supported by important facts and figures having great impact of street lights, roads, people, buildings, church, bus, cars, black and white, colorful picture, street bulbs, people, busy life.
You don't have to cover everything, Nat. I already told you.
Yes.
You have to finish before the time, and at the end, you just need to mention a few more, but not like, try to keep saying it until the end of the time. It's not good.
Okay.
Yep. So finish before the time, and again, you don't have to cover everything you see.
Okay.
This time good. One good, one is not good.
Yes.
Good. Your fill the blank is good. Reading fill the blank. Okay. Content is good, but again, spelling mistake. I think last time I also mentioned about that, right? Now, I need you to try your best in the exam that don't make spelling mistake, okay?
Okay.
Because now you know that PT is changed, and the important topics such as reorder paragraph is important now, very important.
Okay.
SSC, okay. So there are these topics that you need to make sure that don't make mistake. Fill the blank listening as well. This one contribute lots of mark.
Yes.
Okay, good. So write from dictation. This time you did well. Okay. Listening in the blank, I need you to work on your spelling and summarize spoken text. Okay. In terms of listening, work on the repeat sentence, some of the long sentences.
Yes.
Answer short question. I need you to go through the prediction part.
Yeah, I will go through that.
So I would say this mock test you did very well.
Okay.
It's pretty much showing me that you have improved a lot. Okay.
Yes.
So mock test feedback. I try to finish reorder paragraph on Iowa. Okay.
I will. Yes.
SST and listening, fill in the blank. Check your spelling. Essay is good. What else? Repeat sentence. Prepare the difficult sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Difficult and long sentences for me. Yes, so that's it. Pretty good for this one. All right.
Okay.
Any questions for you, Nat?
No, Vivian. I will do the exam tomorrow, and I will let you know the results.
What time is your exam?
At 9 o'clock.
9 a.m. Okay.
Yes.
I know that you haven't finished all of the reorder, right?
Yes.
But try your best to do as many as you can. But
Yes.
still try to have a good sleep. Okay, because a good sleep is important for your exam.
Yes.
And your exam is in the morning too, so it doesn't matter. You may not finish everything, but it just try to have a good sleep. Okay.
Yes, I will.
No worry. Okay, Nat, all the best and good luck. Let me know how you go. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you
No
so
worries.
much.
I'll talk to you after that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then, okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.